Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage O, the car. The car's engines growled loudly as the light went green. Its driver pushed the accelerator down hard, hoping to take an early lead. The crowd roared their approval and stood up as the cars raced by them. Birds above the track squawked and flew into the air, surprised by the sudden and unexpected sounds. As the cars came around the corner, the driver hit the brakes hard, but it was too late. Crash. Questions. What was the driver doing? What did the crowd do as the car passed them? Suggest a synonym for roared as it is used in the text. What is meant by the word hit as it is used in the text? Why did the car's engines growl? What happened to the driver at the end of the passage? Now let's check the answers. What was the driver doing? The driver was driving, or we could say racing a car. We know that because it says the driver pushed the accelerator. It also says the crowd roared, and if there's a crowd, it might be a race. What did the crowd do as the car passed them? Well, the crowd roared their approval. They cheered. They shouted and stood up. All good answers. Suggest a synonym for roared as it is used in the text. Well, we could say cheered. We could say shouted. What is meant by the word hit as it is used in the text? It says the driver hit the brakes, touched the brakes, pressed, or we could say pushed down on the brakes. All good explanations for the use of the word hit in the story. Why did the car's engines growl? Well, we could say the car was accelerating or it was working hard because it was in a race. What happened to the driver at the end of the passage? Well, we know that he crashed the car because it says crash at the very end. It also says he hit the brakes, but it was too late, suggesting that he did crash. Thank you for your time. How did you go?